Hi there, how are you doing? Everything fine? I am Waleed, the CEO of WaLead.ai, and in this video, we will see how to import leads directly from LinkedIn to WaLead.ai. So, until now, we supported multiple methods to import leads to your campaign. We'll just check it right now. For example, let's create a new campaign, new camp, create. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. So basically, until now, we basically supported multiple methods like CSV, Google Sheets, manually. Yeah, we have some users that want to do it manually. I don't know why, but they ask for it, and it is what it is, right? So, and also of course Sales Navigator. So what's the problem? We have some customers that don't use Sales Navigator. They just use LinkedIn and they need LinkedIn URL. So you ask for it and we deliver it. So here we go. LinkedIn URL. What do we need? Easy. We just need to go to the search bar, search for people, right? So for example, I want CEO that is living in Edinburgh. Yeah, let's go. Show results. Okay, now I will just scroll down a little bit. 100, so that means there are more than 1,000 leads here in this search. Perfect. So we will just copy this and we will paste here. And now basically it detects the geography. It's Edinburgh, right? The keyword CEO, and then we need to choose which account we will use, right? This is actually important because imagine if I choose like first, second, or third, that parameter is related to my account. So I should use my account. In this case, it's a generic list. It means even if you search for it, it will be the exact same result as me because we are just searching the same. It's CEO in Edinburgh, nothing more. So in this particular case, we can use any one of the accounts. We can use Mencia's account, we can use Antonio's account, we can use all the accounts if we want. It's not a problem. For example, for this we can use Antonio's account. So the limit is actually 1,000 leads daily, right? If we, for example, add 20K, then it will import 1K every day in the next 20 days. And if we choose just 1,000, then today they will be imported. It will basically normally it uploads 100 leads at the moment instantly, and the rest along the day, right? So that's also important. In this case, we don't know how many leads there are because it's like the maximum pages. So what we can say is, let's just say 5K and let the software detect how many leads there's like actually are, right? So we will just click on import leads. Normally it will take like 10 seconds or so to import like the first 50 or 100 like instantly, and then it will be working in the rest. Okay, leads imported successfully. Yeah, so we like have the first 50 and the rest are being imported. So we can see like Paul and the name, the title, you can see all of them are CEOs. Maybe someone is wrong, right? We also have here like the area. And now and now the software will basically try to import all he can until reaching the 5K. But if there are like only 3K, they will be imported in the next days, right? And at every time you will have here the URL in case you want to access it again, right? And with this import, with this basic import, if we try to draft a message, we will have access to some variables like here we have first name, we have last name, we can also use the title, and we can also use the location. You can see Edinburgh. So for example, if I live in Edinburgh, I can tell to Steve, hi Steve, I saw you also live in Edinburgh. So with this we have like something in common. It will work better, right? And yeah, you have like couple info that you can use to tailor your message and make it like sound more personalized. And that's our solution. Of course, if you have Google Sheets, you can import as many variables as you want. And if you have Sales Navigator, we will allow you to import much more variables than this. But with the basic LinkedIn import, you are ready to go in case you don't want to use Sales Navigator. So hope you have enjoyed this video. In our YouTube channel, we have much more resources, integrations, product updates, and a lot of stuff. Cool stuff, actually. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye bye.